Hey, summer trip 2023, June 17th, 2 weeks, heading over to eventually Yellowstone. We're going to go see Brooklyn graduate. We're going to go to Tahoe, Grand Tetons, Wendover. We got the crew. Alright, hey guys, turn around. Look at all this steam. And there's Carson. Brooklyn's favorite boba place. Look how cheap boba is here.
Hand scratched up.
Hopefully I didn't hurt my shoulder. It could be all dirty. Damn.
This guy.
I realized that she's been used.
Alibabas. There's Katie.
Woo!
Let's go. Wow. We got a rabid squirrel here chilling. Are you okay, little squirrel? Are you okay, squirrel? You okay? Are you okay, little guy? It's okay. It's okay, little squirrel. Whoa! Jesus. That's full. IT 250. We're at Truckee Campground, Lake Tahoe. All right, this is what we fit in our van. All this stuff. We still have, if you look, we have a grill, containers, tables. Just keeps going. All right, Aston. This is Aston's. This is our little bunk bed system. Cindy and I sleep up there. Aston's down here. Then we come around here, and we have two kids down here, and then we have Carson up there, and then we have Brooklyn up here in this little area. We put a little board here, and she has the suite. All right, Brooklyn.
Just leave it laying around the
How comfortable are you?
I know, I'm saying. It's too crazy.
Microwave going with the Generac, pulling 1,330 watts. Little Black & Decker 700 watt. We have the ARB and the Massimo fridges. We'll see how much they pull.
Oh, Harley got. Oh wow, Harley got the jackpot. I'm ready. Ah, why I keep catching on fire? Wait, getting it in the fire.
All right, we just ate some New York. We got some tri-tip, hot Italian sausage, some white corn.
What is that? And
This is how it's done. On their phones, set up.
secret tunnel through the mountains, over the hills. Secret tunnel over the mountains.
Montego Bay, Wendover. This is our room. With all our crap, we brought a microwave. Oh, okay.
All of us want one. Go, go.
Oh, you guys are tired in the hot tub.
Funny how I said so it's less like dark or bright.
Where are we? We're at the Intrepid Potash Canal. Okay. Wendover Will, we're in Wendover. All right, this is our room. It's pretty nice. Hilton to home has a full kitchen, dishwasher, bathroom, stand-up shower.
I like the shower.
Fold-out couch,
There's a coffee machine.
king-size bed. Pretty nice.
It's amazing.
Idaho Falls. $160 worth of Chinese food that we're gonna take camping. Making chocolate milk. The most photographed barn in the world. Jackson Hole. We're in Grand Teton. All right, Snake River Cabin and RV, Site 107. Right next to the bathrooms. All right, we got some white noise tonight.
He's like looking back.
All right, this is our camp spot. Colton Bay. Are you the frog catcher?
I guess so.
Oh my God.
He's escaping.
Dad, is it okay if we don't use, what's it called?
We got pizza with a view. Well, it decided to rain on us. We don't know what we're gonna do. We're just chilling here. At least there's no mosquitoes. Yep, it's kind of loud. Grant Campground. This is our Kingdom 8. It's a massive tent.
Oh, you just hit me. Yeah. Charlie, stop. You're distracting us in the fluffy fall. We need to win the fluffy
Wow.
Hello.
I really even see anything else.
Yeah, you could do water.
Pretty.
Where would I find water? Oh yeah, Mom.
All right, look at that.
Yes.
Well, that's a pretty big size hail, size of a marble. Just fell. Good thing it didn't hit me. There's some big hail falling right now into the water. You can see the splashing right here. See this hot water coming in here. Let's see how warm this water is. Oh, it's nice and warm. Probably like 100 degrees. Probably warmer down there, but at least 100 degrees. It's so nice. And those are the hail falling in. Oh, the water's so nice. Wow. Oh my gosh, it hurts. Ow! 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 Ouch! It actually hurts. Ow! 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 I have a puffy jacket on. It's about 174 degrees.
That's so cool.
Yellowstone! Good.
Oh, much better than yesterday. Whoa! I think this is better than yesterday. How is the water going like that? It looks like it's big. How's it going that high,
Rusty Cooper's out there in the mudroom. Us hanging out in the tent while it's pouring rain, playing and singing and listening to the rain.
Whoa, this is tough.
All right, we're leaving a day early because it's gonna rain. It's been raining. Weather can be crappy outside. And what time is it right now? It is 11:19 on the 28th. Let's see how long it's gonna take. There's so many mosquitoes here in Yellowstone. You can see them flying around everywhere. My back's just covered on them.
Guys, 2 on each side. Hurry up, you guys. Everyone's waiting.
Mosquitoes are so bad here. Mosquitoes here are insane. Everywhere. Mosquitoes.
Stop it right now.
So many mosquitoes, so many mosquitoes. Hurry up, let's go. Get in the car, let's go. Hurry, get in the car.
Guys, the more you move, the hotter you get, the more they want to eat you. You know that, right?
They don't eat me.
So stay still. Stop. Hold this. Take the windows down, though.
Hey, you guys gotta go to the side.
All right. BYU. Totally changed.
La Quinta and Provo. Pit stop, another 10 hours to drive.
All right, we're at the Mad Greek in Baker, 116 degrees.
All right, we made it home, guys. SeaWorld, yay! Yay!